They have stuff that
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers.
Hi guys, so today is going to be an unboxing video, and I kind of have to put a little bit of a disclaimer because it's not really an unboxing video because I have already had this phone for a little bit, but I love these videos and I want to do it myself. I got the iPhone 11 in this red color. It's the 64GB. By the way, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I pay for this phone all on my own. Yeah, let's just hop into this video. Along with the unboxing, I'm going to do what's on my iPhone. I know I just did one of these videos, but my phone has changed a little bit, so. Oh yeah, this. And there's the phone. I also have a screen protector on it already, but that's what the phone looks like. It's really pretty. And then what comes in the box, you get your little instructions. With the product red, you get this thing that says product red. You get a little hello instruction. If you haven't had a phone without Face ID, it pretty much just will show you how that works, along with stickers and your little SIM card remover. These are stuff that everyone knows that comes in the box. I left everything in the box just because I have working headphones and a charger, so I'm just gonna save these until everything breaks. Here's your headphones. No, they're not AirPods. They have the little wire, and it's the lightning cable, obviously. And then you just have your brick and charger. So that's everything in the box. We're gonna go ahead and get to the phone now. I just have this clear spec case. Plan on getting more cases, but for right now, I just like clear case. I'm gonna go ahead and start screen recording. Alright, so this is my wallpaper. I just got this off Pinterest. If you want to follow my Pinterest, you can find it on there. I just like to match my wallpaper with whatever case I'm using, so since it's clear, it's red. So I've really changed my phone. I actually use more folders than I usually would. So I have FaceTime, calendar, photos, Gmail, notes, clock, contacts, camera, calculator, wallet, settings, Huntington, that is my bank, App Store, YouTube, and YouTube Studio. If you are a YouTuber, I highly recommend this app. It helps you check your analytics. You can reply to comments really quickly. It's just a great app. I'm sure you already know of it if you're a YouTuber. Then I have TikTok. If you want to follow my TikTok, this is it. I'm trying to post more, but I don't know. Facebook and Messenger, those are private just for family. Instagram, I have my own Instagram, and then I actually have one for my service dog just to basically, oh, well, that's lovely. Well, when I log back into it, this is her Instagram. This is her Instagram if you want to go ahead and follow her. I do this just to connect with other handlers. I can speak English. And then I have Chrome because I don't really care for Safari. I have Google Maps. I also have a Poopus. Hi. You want to go lay down for mom? So she can record a video. So I have Google Maps, My Verizon, Drive Safe and Save. This just gives you discount on your insurance, State Farm. Google Photos, LumaFusion is a paid app. This I use to edit my videos on the go. So I would highly recommend this. I would highly recommend this app if you are a YouTuber. Documents, Willow. Then in my school folder, I just have My Campus, Canvas, and GoodNotes. GoodNotes I mainly use on my iPad, but I can quickly check them here. For social, this is just like the rest of my stuff. I have Pinterest. You guys want to follow my Pinterest? This is it. I have Twitter. I don't post on Twitter like ever. This is my Twitter if you want to follow me. I don't know. I have Bitmoji, Netflix, and Hulu. In health, I have Workout for Women, the health app, 30-Day Fitness, and MyFitnessPal. I just called this Pay because I didn't know what else to call it, but I have Cash App, Etsy, Wish, Reprints, AliExpress, Best Buy, Amazon, Target, DoorDash, Chipotle, ThreadUp, eBay, Forever 21, and Fashion Nova. In other, I just have a bunch of random craps that I don't use. I have Measure, Tips, Find My, Safari, Active, Watch, Flow, because I'm a female, Shift Keyboard, Yellow, Maps, Reminders, GarageBand, and iMovie. Those basically downloaded when I got my new phone, so they're just there. In photo, I use PixArt, Afterlight, Fuji, Fonto, Mojo, which Mojo is for like Instagram stories, Lightroom, StoryArt, and VSCO. Facetune too, I use this basically to like white out the background. I have a lot of games on my phone just because of this whole quarantine thing going on, so. Sorted 3D, 2048, Send Cards, Minion Rush, ID Please, Lore, Playlink, that's for on my PlayStation, Repair Master 3D, Hyper Life 3D, and then then I just named this Need because I didn't know what else to name it. So it's just the Weather Channel app, Shazam, and Indeed Jobs. And then at the bottom I have phone, messages, Snapchat, Apple Music. This is my Snapchat. You can scan it. I keep forgetting over here is where the thingy is. You can scan that and follow me if you feel like it. And then yeah, that's it. So I do want to say that I really do like this phone. I do like the camera that comes with this phone. I had the iPhone XS. Basically the only reason that I upgraded is because I didn't like the size of the XS. It was way too small if you had that phone. So I upgraded for that reason, plus my phone was basically like not working right. So again, this video is not to brag in any way, shape, or form. If you guys enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. I just really did this video because I like watching unboxings. Yes, it kind of sucks that it wasn't like an actual unboxing, but it worked. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, feel free to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.